Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Huzaifa Wasim. Welcome back to our channel Hex Tech. Today in this video, I am going to explain and provide you complete details of home electric wiring from the starting of input power coming from electric pole to the distribution of each room in an easy way. So watch this complete video without skipping any part till the end. Then you able to do home electric wiring by yourself. So let's start it. Here you can see that this is room 1, room 2, room 3, and this is washroom, and this is corridor. Here let's first we see which component we require for our system. This is electric pole, which is already installed by your electric service provider in street. Then this is energy meter, and this is distribution box. In distribution box we need to install the bus bar and a 2-pole MCB miniature circuit breaker, a RCB residual current circuit breaker, and 3 single pole MCB miniature circuit breaker for each room. Here note that you need to install a separate single pole MCB for each room. In next videos, I will explain you purpose and working of these MCB and RCB. Now as we know that we will use a fan in each room and 2 lights in each room, and also need a socket for other appliances. So this is an electric board containing 1 fan regulator or dimmer, 1 fan switch, 2 light switch, and 1 switch for socket. Then at the washroom we require 1 light and 1 single switchboard for it. So these are a complete component which we needed for wiring. Now we start its connections. Here you can see that energy meter first terminal is incoming phase and second terminal is incoming neutral. So we connect phase wire coming from electric pole to its first terminal and a neutral wire coming from electric pole to its second terminal. Then the energy meter's third terminal is outgoing neutral and last terminal is outgoing phase. Therefore we connect third terminal outgoing neutral wire with any one bottom terminal of 2-pole MCB and fourth terminal outgoing phase wire with other bottom terminal of 2-pole MCB. Then we connect neutral outgoing of MCB with first incoming of RCB and phase outgoing of MCB with second incoming terminal of RCCB. After that we connect first neutral outgoing of RCCB with bus bar and second phase outgoing of RCCB with all bottom incoming terminal of single pole MCBs. Now we need to give phase supply to each room from MCBs. So we connect outgoing phase of first MCB to the bottom terminal of all switches in room 1. Then we connect phase outgoing of second MCB to the bottom terminal of all switches in room 2, and similarly we connect phase outgoing of third MCB to the bottom terminals of all switches in room 3. Next we need to do connection of switches with fan, light and socket. So in room 1 we decide regulator and first switch for the control of fan. So we connect outgoing of first switch with incoming of regulator, and then we give phase supply to fan from outgoing terminal of regulator. And this same connection we done for room 2 and room 3 fans. After this we connect outgoing terminal of second switch with 1 light and outgoing terminal of third switch with second light. Similarly, we give phase to the lights of room 2 and room 3 in the same way. Now we connect fourth switch outgoing terminal with right side terminal of socket to control it with fourth switch. And similarly, we done same connection for room 2 and room 3 socket. Next, we need to give phase supply to washroom light. So we connect room 3 incoming phase wire to the incoming bottom terminal of washroom switch, and then give phase supply to washroom light from the outgoing of this switch. Hence, all the phase connection is complete. Now we need to give neutral supply to each room. So first I took neutral wire from neutral bus bar and directly connect with both lights, fan, and then give neutral supply to socket directly from this wire. And similarly, we doing same connection for supplying neutral to room 2 and room 3. And then I give neutral supply to washroom light directly from the incoming neutral supply wire of room 3. Now the home wiring is complete. In the last, if you want to do earthing connection, so we took a wire coming from earthing is directly connected with third top pin of all the socket. So I hope you understand completely how to do house wiring, and now you able to do house wiring by yourself. But still, if you have any query, so please ask in the chat box, and like, share, follow and subscribe this channel for more videos related to professional wiring and electrical engineering. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care.